Okay, let's be real. You've seen the videos. The ones promising you'll make $10,000 a day with AI from your couch. You've heard all the hype. But what's the actual truth? Well, we're going to dive in and cut right through all that noise with a completely honest guide on how you can actually make money with AI based on what's working for real people right now.
First off, let's just get a sense of the scale we're talking about. The AI industry, it's already a $500 billion behemoth, and it is growing incredibly fast. So the opportunity is absolutely real. The money is definitely there. But the path to actually getting it, that's where things get a little complicated. And here's exactly why it's so complicated. When we looked into it, a staggering 90% of the advice out there is either way exaggerated or, let's be honest, an outright scam. It's all designed to sell you a dream, not give you a workable plan. So if you're feeling skeptical right now, good. You have every right to be. Our entire focus today is going to be on that tiny 10% that's actually real.
So our goal for this explainer is simple. We're going to separate myth from reality. We're going to slice through all that hype to find the legitimate practical paths that regular people probably just like you, without advanced coding skills, are using to earn a real income with AI.
And this right here, this is the foundational truth for everything we're about to cover. You absolutely can make money with these incredible tools, but it's not a lottery ticket and it's definitely not magic. Think of it as a powerful assistant that needs your skill, your work, and yeah, your patience to get real results.
All right, let's get into our first path. This one is pretty much perfect for anyone who's good with words or enjoys creating content. This is all about using AI to supercharge your communication skills and then selling those skills as either a service or a product.
Now, what's really interesting here is the trade-off you see. AI freelancing, that's the fastest way to get your foot in the door. The barrier to entry is low, and you can start earning pretty quickly. On the other hand, content creation has a higher ceiling. But look at that, it takes way more patience before you're going to see a real payoff. So what does this actually look like day to day? We're talking about things like using AI to help you crank out blog posts for clients, managing their social media accounts, scripting out entire YouTube videos, or even building a cool AI-powered newsletter. These are all tangible services that businesses are paying good money for right now on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. But, and this is a big but, here's the honest truth. The competition on this path is fierce. I mean, everybody is using these tools now. So the secret sauce is this. AI writes the first draft, but your job, your value, is to add the quality, the human touch, and the polish that makes it perfect. And if you're a content creator, consistency is the only thing that matters. You just have to outlast everyone who gives up after a couple of weeks. And listen, this isn't just a theory. People are seeing real success with this. We've got folks like Sarah in Texas who's pulling in a solid $2,500 a month writing for her freelance clients. And Mike, his AI-focused YouTube channel now brings in about $4,000 every single month. These aren't lottery winners, they're just people who put in the work and stayed consistent. Okay, let's move on to our second path. This one is really designed for the builders and the problem solvers out there. This is for all of you who like to create systems, build products, and come up with solutions that you can sell over and over again. And right away, you can see we're taking a step up in both potential income and in difficulty. Selling digital products, that offers awesome passive income potential. But look at automation services, it's one of the highest paying methods out there because you are directly solving a massive pain point for businesses, saving them time. You know, the possibilities here are genuinely exciting. You could be selling packs of AI prompts on Etsy, creating ebooks, or building automated workflows for small businesses with tools like Zapier. You could even be setting up AI-powered customer service chatbots for local companies in your area. So what's the honest truth for this path? The market for generic products is completely flooded. Success isn't about creating another ultimate ChatGPT guide. No way. It's about finding a specific audience with a specific problem and then using AI to solve it for them. And for automation, just remember, businesses will happily pay you a premium if you can save them hours of tedious manual work every single month. And that brings us to our final and, yeah, most advanced path. This is for those of you who have already put in the time, you've mastered the tools, and now you're ready to become the leaders and the teachers in this space.
Yeah, the numbers here kind of speak for themselves, don't they? This path has the highest income potential by a long shot, but it's also marked as hard for a very, very good reason. This isn't a starting point. This is a destination you work your way up to. And this might be the most crucial piece of advice in this entire explainer. Do not fake it till you make it with this one. You have to actually be an expert. I'm talking spend 3 to 6 months deep in the trenches, using these tools every single day. Master them. Then, and only then, should you even think about teaching others. Your authenticity is your single most valuable asset here.
Whew, okay, now that we've covered the real paths, we have to talk about the fake ones. Let's take a quick look at the common scams and the biggest red flags so you can protect yourself from all the noise and the bogus promises out there. You know, it really just boils down to this. The scammers will always promise you some kind of magic button for instant, effortless cash. The reality? AI is an incredibly powerful tool that requires your skill and your work to get anything out of it. There are no copy-paste systems that work in the long run, period.
So be on high alert. Avoid anyone promising some specific, insane daily income. Run, don't walk, from anyone selling secret AI crypto bots. And just be deeply, deeply skeptical of any get-rich-quick program or super expensive course that promises you millions with no real effort. They are selling you a fantasy, not a strategy.
Okay, we've covered the real opportunities, the realistic expectations, and the scams you need to avoid. So now, let's bring it all home and put it together into a simple action plan you can use to get started. Like today. Choosing your path is step number 1, and this table makes it super simple. If you're a complete beginner, just start with AI freelancing. It's the fastest way to get your first win and build confidence. If you're more patient and creative, build a long-term asset with content creation. Tech savvy? Jump into the high-demand world of automation. And if you're already an expert in something, it's time to start teaching. And your launch plan? It's literally just 3 steps. First, choose one method. Just one. Don't try to do everything at once. Second, commit to spending just 1 hour. That's it, 1 hour, today, learning more about that single method. And third, and this is the most important one, focus, and do not give up when it gets a little challenging. The only people who succeed are the ones who start and just keep going.
So that's it. That's the honest guide. No crazy hype, no false promises. The tools are here. They are more powerful than ever, and the legitimate paths to earning an income with them are clear. So the only question left is, what will you build?